Module 6, Lesson 10's objective is to use square tiles to compose a rectangle and relate to the array model. Item 4A. It says, what shape is the array pictured below? As I look at the array, I can see that there are 4 rows and 3 columns. That means that all sides are not equal in length. That makes this array a rectangle. Item 4B. In the space below, redraw the above shape with one more column. I'll highlight, redraw the above shape with one more column. Remember, columns go up and down, so I'll draw my reminder there. I already noticed that there are 4 rows, and each row has 3 squares. So I'll draw that now. 1, 2, 3. That's 1 row. 1, 2, 3. That's 2 rows. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. That's 4 rows. Now I need to add one more column to that. A column goes up and down, so I'll do that here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have added one more column to the shape in 4A. Now the question on 4C is, what shape is the array now? Well, let's look. There are 4 rows and 4 columns. That means that each of the sides is equal, and the new shape is a square. Item 4D says, draw a different array of tiles that is the same shape as 4C. We've already determined that 4C is a square, and squares have the same number of rows and columns. So I can draw any array as long as the number of rows I draw is equal to the number of columns I draw. So how about I do 2? If I draw 2 columns, I need to draw 2 rows. That is a square. Another one that I could draw is, what if I decided I want to do one with 3? So this one would be 3 columns, and that means I have to have 3 rows. Maybe I want to go further and draw one with 4 columns. If I have 4 columns, I must have 4 rows. That's 2 rows. That's 3 rows. That's 4 rows. And as I look at 4B, that's the same shape as I've drawn there, so it's supposed to be something different. So I better add a 5th column and a 5th row. Okay, the first one is 2 rows of 2. The second is 3 rows of 3. And the third example that I've drawn is 5 rows of 5. You didn't have to draw all those, but I wanted to show you that there's more than one right answer.